In today's video, I'll show you how to check and change IP address on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, what you have to do is just go to the bottom right corner and you'll find your Ethernet cable icon over here. Or if you're using Wi-Fi, you'll find your Wi-Fi icon. So just right click on it and click on Network and Internet Settings. And when Network and Internet Settings opens, just expand this. Then just go to Properties over here. Then scroll down a bit and over here you'll find your IPv4 address, which is basically your IP address over here. There's also other bunch of information over here. If that's useful to you, you can see that as well. But basically this is your IP address. I'm gonna show you another way to see your IP address. For that, just close this out. Go to your search and search for CMD. Run CMD as administrator, give it permission if it asks for it. Then in here, just type ipconfig, that is ipconfig, no spaces, all small letters. Then just hit enter. After that, you'll get Windows IP configuration. From here, as you can see, I'm using Ethernet adapter, so I see my IPv4 address under that. If you're using Wi-Fi adapter, you'll see it under your Wi-Fi adapter options. And basically, that's my IPv4 address. I also have subnet, default gateway, other information over here as well. Then I can just close this out. Now to change your IP address, what you have to do is basically just go to your search again and search for view network connection. And from the best matches, you'll find view network connections. Just open this up. And after you do that, if you're using Wi-Fi, you're gonna see your Wi-Fi adapter over here. I'm currently using an Ethernet cable, so I see Ethernet over here. If you see Wi-Fi, just right click on it and go to Properties. Same for the Ethernet cable, just right click and go to Properties. And after that, what you have to do is just go to your Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4 and click on Properties again. From here, you gotta make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is set to use the following IP address. And after that, you can manually set up an IP address over here, also a subnet mask as well as a default gateway. If you want, you can also set up a useful DNS over here. And basically, that is how to change your IP address. Just click on OK again, and close this out. You can then just go ahead and restart your computer to have the new IP address. And basically, that is how to check and change your IP address on a Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.